How do you get Coursera courses with certificate for free? A lot of you guys wanted me to make a video on this, so I made one showing you a step-by-step procedure to get the courses for free, and yes, including certificate too. If you're a student or a professional looking for a way to get Coursera paid courses for free, this video is for you. Watch this video till end. So go to the Coursera.org and search for a course called photography. Let's select this course. This course is a paid course. Let's see how you can watch the content of this course. When you click on Enroll for free, it will ask you to start free trial. Just don't click on it. You will see an option called Audit the course below. Just click on it. And now you can watch all the course videos for free. But the only disadvantage is you won't get access to the quizzes and assignments. Now how you can get access to the assignments, quizzes, and most of all to get the certificate? This takes us to the next part. In this part, you will get access to the quizzes, assignments, and you will even get the certificate of completion after finishing the course. Just go to the course you want. Click on Financial Aid Available. Click on Continue the application. Checkmark these two questions and copy and paste these lines and click Continue. Just give the reason why you're applying for financial aid. This is a sample answer for this question. Note, please don't copy the same text. If you do, your application will get rejected. For the second question, here is the sample answer. In this section, just explain how this course will help you in your respective career. And then submit the application. Now after 15 days, you will get email from Coursera regarding the application saying that your application is approved. Okay, if you give valid reasons, if you give genuine reasons, your application will get accepted 100%. And if you don't get accepted, try once again. If you find this video helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe.